Need high-efficiency HVAC repair services in Apopka, Florida? At Top Tech Air Solutions, we're your confident local experts in professional heating and cooling repair. Comprehensive services include HVAC troubleshooting, repairs, and year-round maintenance, designed to maximize efficiency. With over 30 years' experience, licensed technicians, and a BBBA+ rating, we deliver dependable comfort solutions you can reassuring trust. Call 407-557-7935 for HVAC installation, repairs, or maintenance. Visit toptechairSolutions.com/toptechairpopka-L. Top Tech Air Solutions. Trustworthy, reliable comfort in Apopka.